Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best video lighting is probably one of the most crucial investments for any aspiring content creator or seasoned professional. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of professional lighting, exploring different types, setups, and how they can transform your videos from amateur to polished. Whether you're a vlogger, a product reviewer, or a filmmaker, understanding the nuances of lighting is key to captivating your audience and elevating your production value. Number 5. NiceVeedi LED Video Light Kit. This kit offers 3 color temperatures to suit any mood. It also features adjustable brightness, allowing you to fine-tune the lighting for your specific needs. It provides a stable and ample output. The light panels are designed to be easily carried around. The light shell works a diffusion, making the lighting more softer. You can power it with a USB port, using a wall charger or power bank. The tripod is made of durable and lightweight aluminum. It can be adjusted up to 60 inches, and folds down for easy storage and transport. You can easily adjust the angle of the light panel. This kit is ideal for photo studios, video recording, and live streaming. Its lightweight design makes it easy to move around. It's perfect for all your content creation needs. The package includes 2 LED light panels, tripod stands, and a storage bag. We also provide a user manual and USB-C adapters. We are here to assist you with any issues. What we like. This light offers multiple color temperatures, allowing you to create different moods for your videos. It's also super portable, making it easy to take on the go. If you're looking for a versatile and easy-to-use lighting solution for your YouTube channel or streaming setup, consider this one. What people say. Adjusting the brightness and adjusting the color is easy. Perfect lighting for my eBay items with no shadows, professional shots. Even with a cell phone. The kit comes with a dimmable LED light, 2800 to 6500K, a sturdy tripod stand, and a phone holder, making it perfect for YouTube videos, game streaming, or professional video recording. The light output is bright and consistent, and the color temperature adjustment allows me to switch between warm and cool tones effortlessly. This flexibility has helped me achieve the perfect lighting for different environments, whether I'm streaming at night or filming during the day. Number 4. NEEWER 660 LED Video Light and Stand Kit. This NEEWER 660 LED video light offers adjustable color temperature from 3200K to 5600K and brightness from 0 to 100%. It ensures accurate color reproduction with a CRI of 96+ and provides consistent, flicker-free lighting. The light features a rugged aluminum design for effective heat dissipation without a noisy fan. The metal barn door helps shape and control the light. The U-shaped bracket allows for 360-degree tilt adjustment. You can power this light with an AC adapter or use an NP-F550 or NP-F970 Li-ion battery for outdoor use. The high-definition LCD screen displays brightness, color temperature, and battery power in real time. The included aluminum alloy light stand extends from 26 to 75 inches, offering flexible light positioning. Locking knobs allow you to adjust the stand's height and secure each section for stability. The package includes 2 660 LED video lights, light stands, power adapters, power cables, and carrying bags. It is ideal for studio photography, video recording, and various other applications. What we like. This kit features bicolor adjustable LEDs and a high CRI for accurate color rendering. It also offers dual power option, so you can use it indoors or outdoors. If you need professional quality lighting for your studio or on-location shoots, this is a great choice. What people say. The lights are bright, adjustable, and perfect for both photos and videos. The build quality totally exceeded what I was expecting. The lights themselves and barn doors feel sturdy and solid. The controls area is well laid out and intuitive, the knobs feel solid and adjust smoothly. I was able to quickly adjust the color temp to match the desired Kelvin temp I wanted. They provide bright, even lighting with adjustable color temperature, making them perfect for video recording, photography, or streaming. Number 3. Photography LED Studio Streaming Lights Kit. This kit comes with 18 color filters in 9 different colors, allowing you to create vibrant and unique lighting effects. The upgraded studio lights feature 70 energy-saving LED bulbs, which provide abundant light and reduce shadows. It has a color temperature of 5600 K and a high CRI of 95 plus 4 accurate color rendering. Easily adjust the brightness from 10% to 100% to suit any shooting condition. The lights are perfect for brightening up your work. This feature ensures you get the perfect lighting for your needs. The ultra-slim LED panel light is easy to carry around. It can be powered via USB ports using a 5V, 2A DC wall charger, power bank, or car charger. This eliminates the need for extra batteries, saving you time. The black, durable aluminum stand extends to 52 inches and folds down to 16.5 inches for easy storage and transport. It features 3 screw knobs for height adjustment and a 1/4-20 thread to attach the light panel. The stand also has a 360 degrees ball head gimbal, allowing the light panel to rotate 180 degrees. This kit is ideal for studio, tabletop, video, and photography use. It's also great for camera work, 360 photo booths, low-angle close-ups, portraits, gaming streams, creative collections, vlogging, and YouTube podcasts. It is a versatile tool for various applications. The package includes 18 color filters, 2 LED studio light panels with cables and adjustable tripod stands, and 2 user manuals. If you have any issues with the product, please feel free to contact us. We are here to help you. What we like. This kit comes with color filters, allowing you to add creative effects to your videos. It also has adjustable brightness and is easy to carry around. If you like experimenting with different lighting looks for your content, you should consider this one. What people say. The kit features LED studio streaming lights equipped with 70 high-quality beads that deliver consistent and powerful illumination. With intuitive controls, you can effortlessly adjust the brightness levels and color temperature of the lights to achieve the desired lighting effects. The lighting kit is built to withstand regular use and offers durability for long-lasting performance. The sturdy construction ensures stability during your photography or video sessions. Setting up the lights is a breeze, thanks to the included adjustable stands and swivel mounts. The compact and portable design allows for easy transportation and storage, making it ideal for both on-location shoots and studio setups. Number 2. Skytex Softbox Lighting Kit, 2-pack. This kit includes everything you need for professional quality lighting. It's designed for both photo and video, making it perfect for various shooting scenarios. Inside, you'll find 2 softboxes, LED bulbs, adjustable light stands, and a remote control. The included carrying bag makes it easy to transport the entire setup. The LED bulbs offer adjustable color temperature and brightness. You can easily control the lighting to achieve the perfect look for your photos or videos. The remote control allows you to adjust the lights from a distance. It's simple to turn the lights on off and fine-tune the settings to your liking. The light stands are adjustable, and the softboxes have rotatable heads. This allows you to position the lights exactly where you need them. The whole kit is lightweight and portable. This kit is suitable for a wide range of photography and videography. Whether you're shooting portraits, products, or streaming, it will help you get the perfect shot. What we like. This kit includes softboxes for diffused lighting and adjustable color temperature for versatility. It also comes with a remote control for easy adjustments. If you want soft, flattering light for your portraits or product shots, this is an excellent option. What people say. This lighting set is absolutely amazing. It comes with 2 lights, not just one, which makes it perfect for creating professional quality lighting for photos and videos. The brightness is fantastic, and I love that it includes a remote control to easily adjust the light intensity or switch between warm, yellow, and cool, white, tones. The 20x28-inch softboxes provide excellent light diffusion, eliminating harsh shadows and delivering even lighting, perfect for portrait photography and video recording. They are fully adjustable with height, angle, every which way. They are also adjustable with color from warm to cool. And the brightness is adjustable too. Number 1. RaLeno 13 LED Video Light Panel Kit. These RaLeno lights utilize edge-lit technology and 4-layer diffusers. They create soft, uniform lighting, perfect for various applications and easy on the eyes. Each light has 2 built-in batteries, providing up to 90 minutes of use at full brightness. It also supports charging while in use, so you can use it for extended periods. The LED panel is only 1 inch thick, easy to store and carry. It's lightweight and the LCD screen displays real-time parameters, giving you greater control. The kit includes 2 adjustable aluminum stands, ranging from 27 to 75 inches. The 1/4 threaded cold shoe allows you to mount the light on any bracket or camera. These lights are much easier to set up than traditional softboxes, with a simple 3-step installation. Their space-saving design is perfect for any workspace. The package includes everything you need, and we offer a 1-year after-sale service. If you have any problems, please feel free to contact us. What we like. This light features an ultra-thin design and dual power supply for convenience. It also has an LCD display for easy monitoring. If you need a compact and powerful lighting solution that's easy to set up and use, this is a great choice. What people say. The light quality is great as it allows transition from warm, cool, and standard white. The built-in 8000 mAh battery is a lifesaver. It allows me to film on location without being tethered to a power source. The adjustable LCD is another fantastic feature. It took a little time to figure out all the settings, but once I got the hang of it, making fine adjustments to brightness and color temperature was a breeze. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.